Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. In this video, I'll be recommending 5 stocks for 19th March 2021. So this analysis is for 19th March only. You will be seeing me on Monday again with stocks for Monday. Okay, so please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. So the first stock for the day is, you can see I have already written the name here. It's Enbridge. Okay, so the last traded price of Enbridge was 44.85. Okay, this is the last traded price, 44.85, and you can see that Enbridge has uh, crossed the daily support, or it has broke the daily support which was at 45 level. Okay, there was a daily support available at 45 level and it has crossed the level, but that means that there was selling pressure, or the selling pressure was so high that the daily support could not mm, could not withhold it. Okay, so as a result, ultimately it closed below the daily support level. So what should be a strategy then? Strategy is this. You can see that I have drawn a line here. Okay, so you can go for, sorry, okay, this is the price that you need to look for, 44.7 for Enbridge. So if you get the stock below 44.7, and if you see that sellers are still dominating the market, they are still present, okay, then you can easily short the stock below 44.7 level. Okay, this is the price that you need to look for, 44.7 on Enbridge. And the next stock is AC, Air Canada. For Air Canada also same thing. It was beautiful trading. Okay, there was a daily support available at 28 level. Okay, but yesterday there was selling pressure, high selling pressure, and the stock could not uh, could not trade above or sustain above the daily support, and as a result it had to give closing below the daily support level. Let me change the color. So the last traded price of Air Canada is 27.6. Okay, so what should be a strategy? The strategy is simple. We will be going for shorting the stock, okay, or sell the stock below 27.5 level. Okay, so if you get Air Canada below 27.5 level, you can short the stock. So this is the next stock, CM, Canadian Imperial Bank. Okay, beautiful stock, beautiful uptrend, no doubt about it. Unlike the previous two stocks, we can see that the stock has given closing above the daily resistance. Okay, daily resistance, which was at 125.5 level, and ultimately closed at 126.7. Very good stock, very bullish stock. So what should be a strategy? Okay, let me draw the line here. This is the horizontal line. So last traded price 126.7, and the price that we need to look for is 127 point, let's say 10. Okay, so this is the price that we need to look for. So if we get the stock, okay, if we get the stock above 127.05 level, we will go for buying opportunity. Okay, because overall the trend of the stock is very good, and in case the stock comes down a little bit, or if the stock slides a little bit towards the downside, okay, and if you see that the stock is near the this level, 125.5, 125.5, okay, 125.5 level, then just observe the price. Okay, and because at 125.5 level there is a support available. Okay, so in case you get the stock around the 125.5 level, and if you see that there is some price rejection from below, and that means that 125.5 is still a valid support and stock will bounce back from here. Okay, so let me tell you again, if you see that stock is stock is coming down. Okay, suppose the stock opened at 127 level and it's coming down, coming down, then wait for the stock to reach the 125.5 level. Okay, and once it comes down to the 125.5 level, just observe the stock. If you see that the stock is getting price rejection from below and stock is about to bounce back from here, okay, then you can also buy above 125.5 level. Okay, because there is support available at 125.5 level. So for a Canadian Imperial Bank CM, there are two prices that you need to watch: 127.10 level if the stock goes up, and in case the stock comes down, you can buy near 125.5 level. Okay, so let's move towards the fourth stock, Thomson Reuters. For Thomson Reuters, you can see that there is okay, just listen to me carefully. You can see that there is a support available on the daily chart at 108.3. Okay, and there is no doubt that this is a valid support for the stock, because the stock is respecting the support for at least 7-8 days, and the stock is trading above the level. Okay, no matter what goes on in the market, the stock is trading above this level. That's the best part. Okay, so what should be a strategy for this stock? The strategy is, if we get the stock, okay, if we get the stock above 110.6 or 106, let's sorry, if we get the stock above 110.5 sorry 6 level, we will look for buying opportunity. Okay, 110.6, and in case the stock goes down and hits the 108.3 level, okay, and just observe there is price rejection or not, because there is extreme support available at 108.3 level, so there should be price rejection from below. If you see that the price is getting rejected from below and the support is still valid, you can buy near the 108.3 in case the market goes down, and in case the market goes up, buy above 110.6. Okay, so these are the two levels. So let's jump to the next stock, or the last stock for the day, PPYUN, Brookfield Partners. The last traded price of the stock is 22.4. Okay, the stock is in a good uptrend from 21.6 level, and looking at the uptrend, this strategy is simple. Okay, there is a resistance available at 22.5. Okay, on the daily chart. So what should we do then? We will look for buying opportunity above 22.5 level. Simple. See, overall the trend of the stock is towards the upside. Okay, that's why we will only be looking for buying opportunity. In case there is a cap up open and the stock opens above 22.5 level, okay, above this line, then wait for 15-30 minutes and just see how the stock is doing. If after 15-30 minutes you see that the stock is trading comfortably, then that means that the resistance has become the support now, and you can go for a buy. Okay, and in case the stock opens below this level, then wait for the stock to cross this resistance 22.5 level, and once it crosses the level, again wait for 15-30 minutes and just see how the stock is doing. If you see that it is trading comfortably after the breakout, go for a buy. So these are the stocks that you need to follow, or you can follow for 19th March 2021. Okay, so this is it. Thank you so much. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. See ya on Monday again, and do not forget to subscribe.